Naga Kashina Salunke. My school name is Adarsha Vidyalaya Rehmatpur. I am studying in a 9th standard. In this video, we will deal with the property of inertia. So, what do you mean by inertia? Is the property of an object by virtue of which it remains in its state of rest or motion only an external unbalanced force acts upon the object. In this video, will be discuss about inertia of rest. So what do you mean by inertia of rest? Inertia of rest is the property by which the body. So now we'll practically see how this inertia of rest works. For this experiment need to coin a piece of cardboard, a paper and glass with a water. Proceeding further, we will place the cardboard or the paper above the glass and will place the coin above the paper in such way that the coin lies exactly above the mouth of the glass. Now we will flicker the paper very quickly such that a momentary force act only. So let's flick the card. Through have seen that the coin fell into the water instead of going on the paper. See why did this happen? We put the paper over the glass and placed coin over it. Both paper and the coin in the state of rest. When the paper will set it into motion as it disturbed its state of rest, but the coin was not affected. Both this phrase what happened in one flicked the paper in went away. Hits in inertia of rest was disturbed. The coin remained at rest but was can so there was no surface below the coin. The force of gravity activate upon the coin which pulls toward the center of the earth that is vertical downward, so this coin flow into the water. I hope this video in simple experiment of inertia of rest like this video. Thank you.